I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile URL link or your username. It's easy peasy. First things first, what you're going to do is open up Facebook, and then you are going to tap the menu button in the bottom right-hand corner, and then you are going to tap the little gear icon that's at the top right. And then here you're going to see Account Center and all the stuff. You can see it on my phone here next to me, but we are going to click on Account Center, see more in Account Center. Okay, here you can see that I have a few different profiles, so that's where I'm going to click, where if you click on Profiles, and then I'm going to click on Facebook, and then here you can pick to do your username, and then this is where you're going to tap to type in and change your username. And then at the bottom here, you can see the blue button where it says Save Username. That's where you go and you click to save it. Because I have a meta verified profile, it doesn't let me change it with that. You can watch this video on how to get meta verified if you want. And then you're just Xing out of all this stuff. And then to double check and see that you've actually changed it and where you can go to get it, you're going to click on your profile. And then you click on the three dots, and then you scroll all the way down. And here you can see where where it says copy profile link. And you can see mine right there. So you can copy that, and then you can share that directly with someone. Hope you found that helpful. Check out these other helpful videos on Facebook tutorials that I have for you.